Hi, everybody. Griffin Cooper here from Ablewaytech, and I just wanted to show, we recently completed our applied swing systems course using these Kenlong swing system templates, and I just wanted to show one of the ways that we can use these templates is to find signals for intraday trading the next day. We have here our different symbol lists that then we can run through these different templates, and what we come up with then is some signals that are in critical states that are more likely to have a big move the next day. So one thing, instead of just end of day swing trading, we can also use some intraday patterns, and that's something that we talk about a lot in the upcoming applied systems development course. So, and I'm going to run it. You can run on any symbol list. I'm actually going to run it on usual suspects. So this is a list of stocks we really like to trade intraday because they're large, they're liquid, so they just tend to move very well intraday. And then we have here now our list, and we can see what's firing. First thing I see is the washout on Cliff, as well as a 551 and X, US Steel. I'm going to sort by MPRC. So Devon is also in there. So if we return to our friend Devon Energy here, closed our trade out. Looks like, came back to about the spine of the dragon. We ended up getting stopped out just on a trail stop, which if we use our risk ends up being maybe about 0.8, 0.75 R. So we'll take it. But just an example there of how we can use the EdgeRater templates to find symbols that are in a critical state that are more likely to have some large tradable moves the next day using these Kata challenge patterns here we use. You could see that SSC. So thanks for watching.